Good time.
Yeah, great time. Here we come, Lexington, Kentucky. Here we go.
For the superstars of WWE, this is a road that never ends. This week's episode features Shiloh, Shea, and Liam Swanson. Witness their journey and their drive. This is WWE Ride Along Fan Edition.
Let's rock and roll.
Hit go. Thank you, Hamilton, Ohio. Dude, look at the fans.
I know, they're nuts.
All right, where do I turn?
This way. You go this way.
All right, here we go. So what'd you think of the show tonight?
Good, you?
I had a great time in the ring, you know. Anytime I'm in the ring it's amazing. It's awesome. It's fun.
Me too, man. I had a good time with you.
Do you remember when Titus O'Neil slipped under the ring?
Yeah.
At the Greatest Royal Rumble? That was hilarious.
Yeah. That was hilarious.
Let me ask you, do you remember when tell me the story of when you got called up to the main roster?
So the main reason I got called up today is because of Vince McMahon, Triple H, and Stephanie McMahon. They called me up. They said, "Hey, do you want me on SmackDown or Raw?" And I chose the Blue brand. I think Shea has the better show.
You think SmackDown is the B?
Yeah,
the A show?
Yeah, I think that is the land of opportunity. Besides, you want more opportunities in their brand.
Yeah, for sure. I remember. Do you remember when I got called? I don't know if you remember this, but so when I got called up, I was doing NXT before I did the main roster, obviously, and so I was doing NXT, and it was a Wednesday night, and I got a call saying, "Hey, you're gonna get called up to the main roster." I was like, "Oh, this is awesome! You know, finally we're making moves. You know, so finally my wrestling career's, you know, coming to a start. You know." Oh, look, there's there. Is that a deer?
Yeah, that looks like a deer.
How much longer are we going here? We good?
Yep, we're good.
But
Yeah, we should approach it less than almost 11.7 miles.
Yeah.
And I mean, we are almost close to...
Well, dude, we've been on the road for, what, an hour? We got another hour to go.
Yeah, and I mean, it's almost close, and then we will be to the hotel in no time.
Exactly.
And
hopefully Vince put us up in a nice hotel.
Yeah, he did. I mean, he called it, and he reserved a reservation for us.
But back to my story about how I got called up. So I got called on a Wednesday night, and I was with my girlfriend, and we were so excited, you know, all getting called up to the main roster. That Friday, I was out to dinner with my whole family, my girl included, and we were out to dinner, and Triple H calls me, and he goes, "Hey, how do you feel about making your WWE debut this weekend in the King of the Ring tournament?" And I was like, "Are you kidding me? This is incredible. This is crazy." Oh, do I turn on this exit here?
Yeah.
All right, getting over into this next lane. Come on!
Come on, you jerk!
How much we got? What, 45 minutes to go?
Yeah.
But yeah, so I did the King of the Ring tournament, and obviously I won. So yeah, that was the story of my debut in the I debuted in the King of the Ring tournament. But what's your favorite wrestling memory from growing up?
So my favorite.
Before you became a wrestler.
So my favorite wrestling memory is when I got a call from Vince McMahon. He said, "How about you come to Raw, watch a few matches, and then we'll give you an application to fill out, put you on the roster, and see if we can get you in a ring with one of the biggest and baddest people of all,
Yeah.
Batista."
Oh, Batista.
Yeah, and I super kicked him in the face.
I remember that.
Yeah, I kicked him in the face with a spinning heel kick.
But you know.
Yeah, I ended his career in a no-holds-barred fight.
But do you remember my wrestling gear before?
Mhm.
I wore a singlet and I had headgear, like a collegiate wrestler, because that was kind of the character I was starting out with. But then I went to Vince and I was like, hey, you know, what if I did the MMA fighter gear, you know? What if I did the MMA gear look? And he's like, yeah, go for it. So now it's red, and I'm on the cover of WWE 2K18.
Yeah,
So.
I think we're here, my man.
All right, is this the hotel?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, no, not bad. Oh, we got some fans here. What are you do? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing awake? All right, we're here.
Your phone, my man?
Thank you. And that's it. We're here.